Explore ancient ruins, stately homes and historical gardens in this unique tour, just a short drive from the town of Harrogate in Yorkshire. I'm Karen Chapman, your English garden expert here for GardenDesign.com, and I'm really excited to share this idea for a fun, self-guided day trip. I suggest you start your day at the Royal Gardens of Goldsborough Hall, former home of Her Royal Highness Princess Mary, before visiting the award-winning gardens at Newby Hall, where you'll see one of the longest double herbaceous borders in England. The final stop of the day will be at Fountains Abbey and the Studley Royal Water Garden. You'll wish walls could talk as you explore the magnificent remains of this abbey which date back to 1132. Then stroll alongside the elegant water gardens which were created to incorporate views of those romantic ruins. So be sure to pack that camera and get ready for a really special day out. And don't forget to sign up for our free newsletter. You'll find out what to do in your garden each month, discover exciting garden tours and local events. Sign up on our website at GardenDesign.com.